Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Genoa, local and long distance movers near me. With the help of the right team, you gain access to options such as packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. It's not easy to process the relocate your life. However, it's necessary in some cases. Our team will make it quite a bit easier on moving day. We will ensure you get the moving services you desire to arrive faster to your new destination. Choosing the right Illinois moving company will give you the team you need for your local move. You'll save plenty of time and energy with professional movers on your team. If you're ready to make your local move simple, it's time to choose the right team that can do it. 3 Movers offers the right team for the job. We streamline the entire moving process to make things simple. With our help, you'll get moved in faster. A move that would take you several days, we can do in a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Genoa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.